Good morning, my friends. Welcome to our first day back at school. So, Mrs. Wagaman's going to be teaching you letter of the day while we're at home, and I'm going to be teaching you our numbers of the day. But before we start, why don't we take a second and say good morning to our friends? I've got my class picture here. I've also got you guys right up here so I can see you every day. And it says, we miss you all, because Mrs. Wagaman and I miss you guys so much. So, I don't have my magic wand. I've got my little marker here. And we're going to say good morning to our friends today. We're going to say good morning, Leah. Good morning, Allie. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Tristan. Good morning, Gabe. Good morning, Penny. Good morning, Ollie. Good morning, Mia. Good morning, Aiden. Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Christian. Good morning, Savannah. Good morning, Jackson. Good morning, Lulu. Good morning, Talon. And good morning, Ollie again. All right, friends. When we were in circle, we always said good morning to our friends and said their name. We also counted everybody. So before we do number of the day, let's see who's all here today. How many friends do we have with us today? Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Oh, that doesn't sound like our magic number at school. Our magic number was 16. Can you guys look at this and see which friend we're missing? That's right, we're missing Alexander. He would make number 16. So I'm sure he's watching there still. So we're going to count him in our picture and have all 16 friends. What would we do when everyone's here? Get your arm ready. We'd go hip, hip, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. All our friends are here today. Great job, guys. Okay, so next we would write it on our board. So we'll get out your marker and we're going to write it. So 16, if you remember, that's a 1, which is straight up and down. Mine's a little crooked, but that's all right because I did my best. Then a 6. If I remember right, our 6 goes down like a 1, but he curls up and we give him a belly. And that's 16, friends. Okay, so now that we know how many friends we have today, why don't we learn what the number of the day is? I'll give you a clue. It was in the number 16 that we just wrote. So before you cap your marker, keep it out. I'm going to tell you our number of the day. Our number of the day, friends, is the number, dun, 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 the number 1. Oh, there's my kitty cat Figaro. Don't drink my water, kitty cat. So 1 is our number of the day. So I'm going to ask you a question. If I have 1, would it look like this many markers? No. Would it look like this many markers? No, I don't think so either. But what about this many markers? Is that the number 1? No. So let's count and see. You tell me when we get to the number 1. Okay, are you ready? Are you steady? Here we go. 1. What? You told me to stop. So this is 1 marker. You are so right, friends. So let's see what else the number 1 pops up in, because that's going to be your challenge of the day. I want you to look around your house and see if you can find anything that has the number 1. I've got some things to show you that might have the number 1. We have these playing cards for the game Uno. That's got the number 1 right there. Also, a ruler. it has the number 1 right here, and then it's got a little number 1 right there. Where else do you think I could find the number 1 at in the house? Oh, what about things that we eat and drink? Do you think they might have the number 1? Well, let me show you. This is a drink that Mr. Fennick drinks all the time. And right here, I circled on the back, you can find, let me see if it will focus it in on there, the number 1. And Lane and Brady also love to eat goldfish. But if you look, right there, there's the number 1 again. And on the side, look at how many numbers there are. And I found the number 1 right there. Someplace else you can find the number 1 at is in books. So this Vampirina book, right here's the number 1. So friends, today, look around your house and see what you can find that has the number 1. Or see if you have just one of something. So, since Figaro here keeps wanting to look outside while I'm making this video, how many kitty cats do I have in my hand? 1. So if you have a pet, you can take a picture with it and have mom or dad or your grown-up post it to show that you have 1 animal that you're holding. Or you could have them take a picture of you holding 1 car, 1 spoon, 1 cup, whatever you can find, friends. So we can't wait to see what you come up with. Just make sure to post it down in the comments or to have your parents email it to us so we can see that you watched and that you can find the number 1 at home. I love you all. I'm going to put my hand on my heart, take a deep breath in and out, and I'm going to wish you all well. I'm going to post a book later and an activity, and I can't wait to see you the rest of the week, friends. We love you and we miss you. Bye.